Prince Albert. This charming town, named after Prince Albert, lies on the edge of the Great Karoo at the foot of the Swartberg Mountains. It is home to some 8,000 people, an eclectic combination of local farm folk, ex-city slickers escaping the madness, artists, tradesmen, and a motley assortment of hounds.
You're a troublemaker. Careful, there's a hole behind you.
A hole? So where are you now?
Prince Albert.
Yeah?
Yeah?
How cold is it?
It's flippin' colder than a cold digger's ass. Come rescue me.
Can I be in the film as well?
Yeah, you can.
Please do.
Hi, how's it? Are you a local?
I'm a local.
How's it?
You guys from where?
Kaapstad.
Okay, Cape Town.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Come to get some fresh air.
Well, I see you got a good friend.
Yeah, she's a rescue,
Yeah?
and she's been with us for a year,
Yeah?
and all my work is stopped because she has to walk in the morning and in the evening. Just walking up one of the back roads of Prince Albert, and some of the houses date back to 1854. Somebody planted some cypress trees a long time ago. The town is an incredible collection of architectural gems, small holdings, fruit trees, olives, leeuwarters, and people prepared to stop and chat.
Very nice. I actually really like that.
Bye.
It's a wind pump, but you can't have a pump. It's not a pump without a climax. No, you can't have a pump without a climax. That's what it is.
No, that is true. If you don't have a climax,
It's not a pump.
Let's see. Is it a climax? It's a pump. A proper pump. The road to the Weltevrede fig farm is probably the most beautiful driveway anyone could wish for. The valley is flanked by the mighty Swartberg Mountains, a life force for this region. To quote Ruben Mausowski, "History, they say, lies in the past, but this is an ancient place whose past is embedded in the present and not just in the rocks."
It is flippin' freezing this morning.
So we're leaving Prince Albert. We had a cold, stormy night last night, and we're going to get a cuppa before we head over the Swartberg Pass. Hopefully there's snow. Let's see what happens. On the outskirts of Prince Albert lie the 230-kilometer long Swartberg Mountains. The range runs along the northern edge of the Little Karoo and is above 2,000 meters in height. The pass acts as a link between Prince Albert in the north and Oudtshoorn in the south. It's snowing.
I don't know if you can see, I'm covered in little snowdrops.
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
The dramatic pass with its hairpin bends and dry-packed walls was built by Thomas Bain in convict labour and opened on the 10th of January 1888. The unpaved pass is scenically spectacular, offering views of both the Little and the Great Karoo. During heavy rainfalls and abundant snow, it is treacherous, and it isn't uncommon for motorists to be forced to turn around, as we soon discovered.
Has he got a name?
Not yet.
I reckon he's Peanut Butter Man.
Peanut Butter Man.
Peanut Butter Man.
Are you? Drone.
Really coming down now.
It's proper snow.
Proper snow. Dan is trying to get the shot. Did you get the shot?
No, it's fine.
How cold is it?
It's fucking cold, man. Oh man, it's cold. So where we going?
Somewhere warmer.
Can't go down
No,
here.
we're going to have to go through Barrydale.
Too much black ice.
Yep.
Okay, back down again.
Yeah.
Just come from outside on the Ep2 side, and it is freezing. It's ice cold, and there's black ice on the road, so we're turning around. Diane's still outside shooting. Watch it. Here she comes.
If you like this video, click the like and subscribe button. It's a free way to support us. So, how amazing was today? Eh?
Today was unexpected.
It was a complete surprise.
We took our chances and we had a whiteout.
And for once it paid off.
Yeah, we were just lucky,
Totally.
but we were also unlucky.
Yeah, because we had to turn around and come all the way, major detour, come back towards Ep2.
Woo! It's a beautiful day.
It spectacular. It's the entire Swartberg range.
They're now called the Witbergen.
We might as well actually be in Switzerland, eh?
Yeah, it's definitely the Alps.
It's got the whole alpine vibes. So there's this entire convergence. It appears that people can't go up.
We wake up to a frosty Karoo winter morning. Our plan today is to head into Barrydale and meet up with friends and cook up a feast.
Herman, one of our oldest friends. Oldest, maybe not the right word. I mean, he's so young and sprightly. But we all studied photography together.
Oh, 50 years ago, eh?
One doesn't need to say all that.
So where are we?
And we are in a town called Barrydale.
Yeah.
We're going to cook together.
Yeah?
That's what you do. If you can grab the bunch, so I get a stick. Yeah. Beautiful. They look almost like oranges, actually.
They do.
For more info on recipes and the places we stayed, click the link below in the description or visit our blog soultoniclife.com.
I always think it's such a pity you can't taste it, you can't see
Happy days. Should we start maybe at the beginning? Is it a leg of lamb?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a leg of lamb.
It's a leg
It's a
of
leg of
lamb.
lamb. We're cooking from the heart, so whatever happens first happens first.
So you harvested some ingredients?
You have some beautiful herbs and obviously Carol's lemons. And yeah, we're going to chop and put it all in and baste it and stuff it and
Roast.
roast it slowly in the oven. Set that. We just have fun. Ja.
Ja. Vlem. Skip.
Ja, wat jou voorvelletjie, hè?
Ja, nee, ek het my voorvel in gedagte.
But I went to one restaurant.
Oh ja, half time.
Ek maak klein pockets vir die garlic en die sausies en die anchovies om in te gaan.
Okay.
Vleisie van binne af lekker moist te kry. Diep indruk. Als de pillen uit, je weet. Maar thuis.
Just look for the red dot.
Just keep going.
Listen, I can peel a peeled potato. Talk to me. Look at me. That is nice.
Olive oil, lemon juice, some salt, and some pepper.
Cauliflower.
Oh.
Oh my God, give me I want to be a
Van
cauliflower.
een beestje wat de popkoel kan vreten.
doe je
Zij
dat? Oh, je
vlees van
verkoopt het.
lekker en ja met curry en vlees, ja.
Ooh. It's looking delicious. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stoot in die klein Karoo, die sneeuw ligt in die hangen af. Die hele Swartberg wit, ja. Zit lekker langs vlees.
It's New York Walkenstein. Especially when he looked like he was maybe,
Oom himself.
yeah. I would say he's in his 40s. I mean, come on.
If people are 10 years older than you, they women tiny you.
I think you were just the Lani Tony that came in from the city and he was showing some respect.
Yeah,
And
Sagat. If he said, he would have been showing me respect if he said, gaan vra vir jou ma eers of jy daardie mes kan kry.
Can we see some ID?
Oh, fantastic. Oh, I like that. We're going to turn it
Oh,
around.
how's our garlic situation?
Lovely.
Perfect.
action.
Hi guys. Thank you for all the love and support on Patreon. And if you want the journey to continue for as little as a cup of coffee, you can support us on Patreon.
Action.
The link is in the description below. Click it!